Hello everyone, this is day 12 of our series showing you the stage by stage, the growth, the characteristics and the development of this millet. As you can see, this is morning, so now we are getting set and ready for the place and the things they will eat, trying to make some cleaning and arrangements. So like there's something I would like to show you of this particular thing. So we normally use this for heat. It's a traditional, it's a local way of showing, of providing heat for them. One is always here, and we'll place the other one here. So place another one there. It's a source of heat for the pellets. So what we do is we normally place charcoal on this place. Inside here we place charcoal here and set fire to it. So this reduces the emission of smokes, or reduce the smokes, but it provides heat, warmth for them at night. So then the ash will drop down here. So these are the ashes. They will drop down inside here. So at night, so we normally use this coal pot. They call this coal pot. It's just a coal. So that's how we provide heat for them. Provide source of heat for them. So, and you can also use this one as well to cook your food. So by placing, it can be used as for cooking at home by placing charcoal in this place. Then you place your pot on top of here. So these are the stand, the pot stand. So you place your pot on it. We also decide to use it for our poultry, chicken, as a source of heat and warmth. You see how agile they are, strong. They are in day 12. So as you can see, so they are growing. Everything is okay with them. They are active and they are acquisitive as well. So just watch how they can run. Just watch how fast they are. Very fast, like. Just watch how fast they are. Just watch how fast. See? So now started, they are jumping out. Baba, so what in jáde báyìí? What in fò sókè? See how fast they are. See how fast they are running. See, just like a bird. So see how fast they are running. Even very, very agile, very fast, very strong. You see? Okay. How fast they run. You see? You see? Very active. Very active. Very active. So, thank you all. Bye bye.